Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the USB debugging in this device. So before enable the USB debugging, we need to enable the developer options. For this, go to settings, tap on about device, then tap on version. To enable developer options, tap on 7 times on the version number. If you set any screen password, then here you need to enter this one, otherwise don't need this step. You can say you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings, tap on additional settings, scroll down, here you can see developer options. Now the developer options is enabled in this device. Then open the developer options, then scroll down, here you can see the debugging section. Here you can see the option USB debugging under debugging. To enable USB debugging, turn on this option. Tap on OK. Now the USB debugging is enabled in this device. So simply in this way you can enable the USB debugging in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.